In the last 2 months, they basically took out all the soil for the footings, poured all the footings. Now they're working on the foundation walls to get up to grade, and they're getting ready to backfill all the foundations with the soil that you see there. And the next phase of construction is going to be preparing these tops of the foundation walls to receive the final walls. But I mean, there's all kinds of underground work that needs to be done still to connect the utilities and water and electrical. The next step is going to be for them to fill up the entire inside of the foundation up to the level of the slab and pour the first floor slab. There's been very little humidity and rainfall, so we've been able to move so quickly due to that.